Hi, I'm Kate Garland, horticulturist with the University of Maine Cooperative Extension. I'm here to show you a very simple activity that can help you jumpstart spring in your household. It's called forcing branches indoors. This activity also gets kids talking about plant parts, colors, textures, and observing differences between plants. Any stem from a woody plant will likely work. It doesn't have to be a spring flowering tree or shrub. You can do this with birch trees, maples, which do flower in the spring. Again, any branch will do. Simply snip off the stems with a pair of pruners and put your cuttings in a vase indoors. I typically replace the water in my vase every couple of days. You should see leaves and maybe flowers, depending on the species, within 10 to 14 days. So Sophie, can you tell me what color this flower is over here? Pink. And Lucy, can you tell me? She does. Lucy, can you tell me one thing that you notice about these? Just one thing.
These are green and those are green, but they're not the same. Those are viburnal leaves, and these are like kind of cool. Some flowers actually have leaves and flowers that come at the same time opening.
Very good job. I hope you guys get a chance to go out and grab some branches from your yard and enjoy a little jump start on spring. Thanks. Please share photos and tales of your gardening adventures on our social media pages and be sure to use the hashtag #GrowingMaineGardeners. For more gardening tips and to learn more about 4-H, visit our websites extension.umaine.edu/gardening or extension.umaine.edu/4H.